Hi everybody, welcome to our today's video. From the previous video, you know I am with my friends in Uganda and they brought me all the way from Turbo to Uganda, and I decided I will show them one of the best hidden gem in Busia, Ugandan border. This is where we are taking our breakfast from. Enjoy the videos as we dive into today's activities. If you have just joined into this video, kindly watch 2 or 3 videos before this. Get to know where we are and the beautiful hidden gem named Coconut Beach Resort, Busia border, the Ugandan side. I and my friend are in Coconut Beach Resort in Busia, Ugandan side. Our friend Eva decided to sponsor the trip, and so I chose this best resort, this best hidden gem in Busia, Ugandan side. Guys, you will love it. They are full of activities to do. You can do fishing, you can do swimming, you can do lake rides on a boat. Watch this video, put this in your bucket list, and thank me later.
Together, strong and free, sharing love for all to see. Through every journey, near and far, spreading kindness, shining stars. Ufalme wa rehema, thabiti kweli, tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema, mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu peaks to ocean waves, telling stories, memories made. With open hearts, we stand as one, changing lives, the journey's begun. Ufalme wa rehema, thabiti kweli, tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema, mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu together we shine, together we grow. Through highs and lows, we let love flow. A family strong, a bond so bright. With mercy's empire, we spread the light. Ufalme wa rehema, thabiti kweli, tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema, mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu tukiinua roho kote huku. Together we shine, together we grow. Through highs and lows, we let love flow. A family strong, a bond so bright. Together we shine, together we grow. Through highs and lows, we let love flow. A family strong, a bond so bright. With mercies and pie, we spread the love. Ufalme wake, tabiti kwe. Tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema. Mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu. Tukiinua roho kote huku. We rise together, strong and free, sharing love for all to see. Through every journey, near and far, spreading kindness, shining stars. Ufalme wa rehema, thabiti kweli, tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema. Mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu, tukiinua roho kote huku. From mountain peaks to ocean waves, telling stories, memories made. With open hearts, we stand as one, changing lives, the journey's begun. Ufalme wa rehema, thabiti kweli, tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema. Mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu, tukiinua roho kote huku. Together we shine, together we grow. Through highs and lows, we let love flow. A family strong, a bond so bright. With mercies and empire, we spread the light.
Guys, welcome to Masters Empire, guys. And now I am on Sio Port. Let's get to see how they fish here, the market of the fish around here, what happens around here, and then we will cruise back to Coconut Beach as we are heading to Kampala, but we will be stopping by at Jinja. And these vlogs start here and now. Thank you guys for clicking in. I truly appreciate the love that you show me. Let's get into Sio Port fishing market.
200 iko.
200. Pesa ya Kenya sasa sio. Hakuna ya 100, tununue mingi.
For inside village, na shady stay. Story of culture where travelers they say. She dey show our world with her lens so bright. Mercy empire, they make us dream for night. Mercy show us the world where wide. For village road where voices collide. From tall mountain to the ocean where shine. You they make life be like dream we find. mercy empire, they make us dream for nights. Mercy, show us the world where wide, for village road where voices collide, from tall mountain to the ocean where shine. You they make life be like
Guys, Sio Port is just known for fishing, guys. I'm super excited that I've got the source of fish where I can buy fish in wholesale and maybe go sell in Kenya, wherever I want to sell, maybe in Busia, Ugandan side, guys. Sio Port has the best fish, fresh fish, and very, very cheap. Let's continue touring this Sio Port and see what other things happen here. Yeah. So guys, that is Sio, Port Sio. A lot of fishing, and also, are you seeing those motorbike vessels? They are coming here to fetch water, taking them to people on the estate around here. Apparently, there was a machine that was pumping water to take them to the estate for irrigation, and that machine, big machine, which is a government investment, was sunk in some house here. I'll show you inside there is that machine, and I'm just wondering what is the MCA of this region doing? If you're working for the government and that is a government property, you're supposed to fetch it out and help your people get clean water in their houses. Now they're getting the water that is not so much clean, and they are going to take it to their home and then they boil it. Yeah, see where we're sleeping? This is the Kenyan side. Let me show you. Umebeba maji? Mnaenda kuchemsha ndio mtumie. Okay, sawa sawa. So guys, are you seeing that house there? The pumping machine for irrigation is sunk inside there, and no government official has come to rescue it. So yeah, what other thing is happening here? This is the sand that has been fetched inside Lake Victoria, and part 7 ton is at $45. $45, guys. Sasa poa, naona mna hustle. The other booming activity or business at Port Sio on the Kenyan side is fetching sand from Lake Victoria. They bring it at the shores and then sell it for people who are building their houses. In your country, do you fetch sand inside the lake? Tell me in the comment section. So guys, we are going back. The men here were so hilarious. They were asking, where are the beautiful women going and who's gonna be giving us their mobile numbers? Guys, come and do this trip courtesy of Masu's Empire Video, that I'm giving you these amazing pictures, these amazing views, these amazing yeah. My friend is putting her foot on water. Look at that. Really enjoying. She's really enjoying. Really enjoying. But hope you're not going to be eaten by the hippos. This is the fresh water lake, so of course you expect to see the hippo, the tilapia fish. A lot of tilapia fish is in this. I've never seen any other kind of fish, maybe mudfish, but let's say most of the fish that are gotten from Lake Victoria is tilapia fish. Elisa, I can see you're enjoying. You're really enjoying. She's really enjoying. Her food is done there. Yay! Look at the camera. Yay!
for inside. culture, we travelers, they say. She dey show our world with her lens so bright. Mercy Empire, they make us dream for nights. Mercy show us the world we're wide. For village road where voices collide. From tall mountain to the ocean we shine. You they make life be like dream we find. She destined story where the world go see.
Yeah, says, guys, look at the blue waters there. That comes from fresh waters river in Kenya, and also these other water you're seeing white comes from Mount Elgon region, flowing over to those River Nzoia and Warden towards to Lake Victoria. Yeah, and together they form River Nile.
Dream we find. Cultural rhythm, they flow from her hand. Every journey, beauty go stand. Tapestry of life, colors go show. Mercy Empire, make the world they glow. Mercy show us the world we're wide. For village road where voices collide. From tall mountain to the ocean we shine. You they make life be like dream we find. You they make life be like dream we find. For inside village, na shady stay. Story of culture, we travelers, they say. She dey show our world with her lens so bright. Mercy Empire, they make us dream for nights. Mercy show us the world we're wide. For village road where voices collide. From tall mountain to the ocean we shine. You they make life be like dream we find. She destined story where the world go see. Every vlog ni kweli seen reality. She dey collabo on that Kenya song. Mercy Empire, they join hearts as one. Mercy show us the world we're wide. For village road where voices collide. From tall mountain to the ocean we shine. You
Guys, our captain told us a very sad story about one millionaire or one hotel owner that you're seeing at the shows. It was the first resort around this area. He was a polygamous man, left two women behind, two of them that cannot agree who is supposed to own the hotel. Since the two women cannot agree, the case is in the court, and now the hotel is vacant and the business is lost. Look at that. It is so sad, so beautiful, with no life in it.
mazuri, upendo wetu tukiinua roho kote huku. Together we shine, together we grow. Through highs and lows, we let love flow. A family strong, a bond so bright. With mercies and pie, we spread the love. Ufalme wake, thabiti kweli. Tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema. Mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu tukiinua roho kote huku. We rise together, strong and free, sharing love.
Just from behind there. We're almost at the hotel, guys. We're almost at the Coconut Beach Resort. Yeah, and we continue with our today's trip. So, yeah, enjoy your weekend, guys. Have a beautiful weekend from wherever you're watching this video from. And I love you guys.
Roho kote huku. From mountain peaks to ocean waves, telling stories, memories made. With open hearts, we stand as one, changing lives. The journey's begun. Ufalme wa rehema, thabiti kweli. Tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema. Mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu tukiinua roho kote huku. Together we shine, together we grow. Through highs and lows, we let love flow. A family strong, a bond so bright. With mercies empire, we spread the light. Ufalme wa rehema, thabiti kweli. Tunaongoza kwa moyo mwema. Mazingira mazuri, upendo wetu tukiinua roho kote huku.
So, guys, we are back at Coconut Beach Resort from that long trip from Kenyan side, now back to Busia. And our captain was Wilbert. Yes, and guys, I'm gonna be having his number. So next time when you're coming to Coconut Beach, call me so that I can give you his number. He can give you that beautiful trip with a affordable price, and we'll give people discount. Okay? So guys, that was our short trip from Coconut Beach Resort to Kenyan side. I've really enjoyed, guys. I've really enjoyed the ride. I think I can do this every day, like cruising around if you have a property around the lectures, guys. And you know me, I love waters. I love water bodies and I love Lake Victoria's, guys. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking I got you inspired to go and visit Coconut Beach, let me know in the comment section, guys. Subscribe, comment, and share. And we are heading back to Kampala. See you on my next video. Bye bye.